let's go.
I don't like to let the animals be killed, but I am a meat eater.
We are in the middle of nowhere. No idea who I was going to meet. They eat donkeys.
3 days.
To bring it to the slaughterhouse. We do have the choice to save it in the end.
Can we stay in your hotel with the sheep?
I get a bit attached to it.
Really?
Quite a burden to have that responsibility.
A difficult situation. I've never been in that situation in my life.
I want to be able to say, I've done the right thing.
It's getting harder the more it's getting closer.
I don't want to kill the goat, you know. It's so cute.
I'm 50-50, I'm literally on the fence.
Yeah, come on, boy. There you go, look, just like a dog.